Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram notes feature not showing in iPhone and iPad. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your app store and search for this Instagram and open this, and you can update the Instagram, and after update the Instagram, check whether the problem fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your Instagram and type this profile icon, type this three line and type this settings and type this account and scroll down. You can put this switch to professional account and check whether the problem fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your settings and type this Apple ID and so type this media and purchase and type this view account and type this again country region and type this country or region and select your country, anyone. I am select here United States and terms and condition, read carefully and type this agree and type this again agree and select your payment method, credit card and debit card, PayPal and non. I am select non and type this your street and state, city and state and put your zip code and put your phone number and tap on next. And after change your country region, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again Instagram and type this profile and type this three line and type your settings and type this help and type this report of problem. You can see shows your two option. You can select this option report a problem without shaking and tap this don't include the continue and put your problem. Hi Instagram team, I am not showing the notes feature option in my phone, please help me. After that, Instagram team connect your own Gmail accounts after 24 hours. I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.